guys, today I'm gonna be sharing with you how to apply fake nails. So first thing that you need to do is to remove your nail polish if you have any. In my case, I do have a clear one. This is actually a nail hardener because I do have a weak nails, and that is why I'm using that one. And next is you need to cut your nails to whatever length you are comfortable with. Me, I want my nails to be short and neat. Third step is you need this kind of tool, which is a pusher. But if you don't have a tool like this one, you can just use your fake nails and use that to pull your cuticle. Next step is you need to take the cuticle out. This is optional. If you don't know how to, then might as well just go to a salon, a nail salon, and let the professional do it for you. Once it's all done, next step is the most important part. You need to get your nail file and start filing your nails. It needs to be really rough, otherwise the glue or the fake nails will not stick to your natural nails. So once that you've done filing your nails, then you can get your fake nails. I have this one from Kiss, and you can now select the correct size of the nail for each fingers that you will put it on. I already set aside, which is in here. By the way, there is a number at the back. Make sure that it's rightfully fit. So what I do is I apply nail glue on the back of the fake nails there, and then apply again on my nails. Make sure that you put it very quickly because it dries up easily. And then press it, hold it for 10 to 15 minutes. Just make sure that you press it on the side as well and in the center. By the way, I forgot to mention that the fake nails have two sides. One is the curved one and one is like a squarish or a coffin type. So you always put the curved one to the end and the square one should be on the top. Some people, they like fake nails with design, but me, I prefer just buying a clear one because I want to paint it myself, I want to design it myself, I want to put color on it, and there you go. You have now your fake nails. So once that you already put all the fake nails, it's up to you if you want to trim it. If you feel like it's too long, then you can still cut it. Well, me, I don't want it to be this long, so I will just cut a little bit and then just file the side, so it will be just the same shape as your natural fake nails. As your fake nails. So once all fake nails are glued, trimmed, and filed, we are now ready to apply our nail polish, and I'm going to use this one from Artdeco. This is in the shade 789. This is like a very faded pink, which is kind of like more neutral color, which I love. I don't know why, but I find it easier to apply nail polish on fake nails than on your natural nails. And of course, you cannot end this without putting any top coat. My favorite top coat of all time is this one from Hansen. It's a miracle gel top coat, so it's kind of like give you an extra gel finish on your normal nail polish. So there you go, guys. That's how I apply my fake nails, and that's how I turn my nails from this up to this. Bye! See you on the next one!